जो हो गया वो हो गया, leave it. Okay, so now we come to the next point. If you are a BA, you should ask these questions specifically. What kind of change you want? What is the need? What solution you are be creating or changing? Who are the stakeholder? What do stakeholder consider a value? Means all the 6 points will be converted in the 6 different questions. You should ask, you should know the answer of these 6 questions. Then I can say you are a good BA. ऐसा नहीं है, it is nothing like that you have to be put the straightforward lines and to your this thing customer. No, you have to be change your words and put these question in front of the customer. Okay, clear? Now I go to the last one, stakeholder. In your life, always remember one thing. You should know that to whom you should approach so that your work can be done easily or quickly. There's a word we use generally: complete this work by hook or by crook. Right? There's a word we use, by hook or by crook. What do you mean by the crook? Or what do you mean by the hook? By hook means put your all kind of relations and get these things done. Crook means basically do some kind of a bribe and done your work. In industry as well, we have to be remember these words. I'll not say use the crook, but by hook. When I say you should know that to whom you should reach out to make sure this work has been done, I'm talking about the stakeholders here. Let's say example. My kid know that if he go with me in the market, he will not get any chocolate. He will not get any toffee. But he also know if we go with my father or my mother, he will get 2 chocolates and toys as well. In that case, what policy he implement? He always approach to my father. He always approach to my father in that case, because he know that he will be able to get the things easily from them. It means he know his stakeholder, that who can help him to get the things done. His intention to complete the work, to get the chocolate. Now who will get? He not bother. But he know that who is the right person to get that part. He bother. Okay. So this thing. Now, if I come here, just keep eye on the recording part. Maybe this Skype issue is there, so that is a problem. Okay. This is again, this screenshot something I got from the, again, not a BA box, but something similar that site I got it. Okay. In our IT industry, we have a 9 type of people. Okay. Cat, elephant, lion, rabbit, penguin, dog, eagle, hippo, and owl. Everyone has their own way of working. Everyone has their own way of doing the things. Cat. They support only if they are favored. If you want to see the practical things, I give you one exercise. I generally give this exercise to everyone in either in my guest lectures or in my trainings. Today, Anyone can take a screenshot of this image. Okay, before you today go for the sleep, make a list of your all friends, near, dear, all friends, and divide them in these category. Those are the friends who just favor to you when you have a money in your pocket. These are those friends. So in IT we have people like these who only favor if their product is going live, or you're working on their problem solutioning part. Elephant, powerful yet slow. These are the stakeholders whose decision can have a huge impact, but they are slow in taking the decisions. Nikhil make a plan to go Shimla. His one of the best friends say, I'll tell you. And at the last moment, he says, sorry, I cannot go. Everybody say, I will also not go. So this is the way they have impact. Powerful and influential. This can be influential, this cannot be influential, but this is always the influential part. If they say, we will go, and they're enough powerful, they will make it possible for you. Okay, so find out those people, those friends in your group today. Dog, committed to project success. You are in any of the situation, good, bad, healthy, wealthy, rich, poor, party, non-party guy. These are the people who always support you. These are the people to whom you call in the midnight. Hey, there's some issue came in from the client. Can you help us? They get up and they work for you. These are the people like this. Emergency people, every time they are available for you. Penguin, slow and steady. Some of your friends are fall in this category. They are the slow learner, but they learn every day. The people who do the BA courses and they are preparing for IPS, IAS things, they are in this category. They get the success, definitely they get the success. Fast and fickle. Means in this category, you can put those project members to whom you give a task. They will do only that task, but very slowly, but the perfection will be there. It doesn't mean that they will fail. The perfection will be there, but it will be very slow. Fast and fickle. These are the guys, these are the stakeholders who work like anything. You give them a work, it will done for you. Sometimes they bother, or sometimes they are perfect, sometimes they are not perfect. Because when you do the things fast, the chances of failure is high. That is the thing. Okay. Eagle. I put only one example here. That is my best example. As per the Indian tradition, when any girl take birth in a family, parents start investing the money for her. She is just 1 day old, but they are seeing her future after 25 years. What to give in her marriage, where to do her marriage, what about her career. Those are the things, those are the stakeholders come here. Who view far ahead, far ahead. They are the company C-level people. CTO, CEO, CFO, these are the people. They think for the next 5 years. They're living in 2021, but they are be assuming 2020. They are building 2026 now. Hippo, my way or highway. They says if you want to go on the trip, either follow me, either don't ask me. Only simple thing. So these are the friends in your bucket as well. Owl. these are the people who get up when we have a go live. Like Nikhil brother has married 2 or 3 weeks back. His friend message him 1 day before marriage. Hey Nikhil, अगर कुछ काम हो ना, if you have any work, please let me know. We have people like this. Don't worry, we have people like this. So these are the stakeholders here. But it doesn't mean you cannot work without any of the combination. You should have people of each combination in your circle. Only then it can be done. The person who asks, is any work? Use that person during that time. Okay, you want some work now? Okay, please come tomorrow early. We need to go to some pick up some vegetables from the market. Done your work. You need someone to work, right? And you are getting it from here. Clear any till this point? Any doubt? Any question? Tell me, guys. Any doubt? Any question? Interesting topics. अरे हाँ ना तो बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the last topic which are be here is called the RASI model. Responsible, accountable, consultant, and inform. Responsible means the person who is doing this activity. In this training, I am the trainer. I am giving you this training. If anything goes wrong in the training, I am responsible. Accountable. Person with the decision authority. Guys, from tomorrow there will be no class. Get out. That is my decision. I have a decision authority. Then I am accountable as well. Consulted. I consult from you. I consult from my friends that I want to start a new batch. Do you have any suggestion for me? I am consulting it. And informed. लेके जाओ बेटा ये क्लास शुरू हो गई आपकी. हाँ बंद है इसको ले जाओ. पहले ही ले जाओ फिर स्टैंड ले जाना. ठीक है. मैं आ रहा हूँ बस 5 मिनट में. माउस भी ले जाओ. Okay. And finally, inform. When you complete this training, you get a job, you will inform me, Atul sir, I got a job. But maybe you will consult me in between. Sir, I had an interview. They asked this thing. Can you help me to understand this part? Maybe in the next interview, it can help me. Okay. So these are the things important here. But this particular slide tell you one more thing. Is that in your life, if you stuck, if someone blame you, follow this RASI model. Ask him, ask her, where I am fitting here. I am a consulted, I am informed, I am responsible, or I am accountable. You can ask. For a single activity, suppose if this batch did not went well, okay, then who is accountable? You guys or myself? Who is accountable? Tell me, who is accountable? I am only the accountable, not you guys.
Because we take decision to.
No, I am the accountable because I am driving this training, not you guys. You guys are responsible, not accountable.
Okay, I thought कि हमने decision लिया है your
आपने
training so we are
you people took decision to get into the training, but how to deliver, what to deliver, when to deliver, it's my decision. The content is mine. For a single activity, never ever two person can be accountable. Life का fundamental बात ध्यान रखना कभी भी. Never ever two person can be accountable for a single activity. Only one person is accountable. Right? If they say ab ki baar Modi Sarkar, then only Modi Sarkar word is accountable if they fail or they win. Correct? So this is a fundamental, always remember. In IT, this is very much important. Maybe the day when you start your journey, ask your team leads that what is my role in this, where I am responsible, where I'm accountable, where I'm consulted, and where I'm informed. If I'm not accountable, I less bother, but I'm 100% responsible, and responsible can be 100 people, 200 people, or everyone can be responsible. Accountable can be only one person who has a decision authority to make it. Okay. So these are the little bit about our business analyst part here. So you can come here and this one. So we discussed that what are the core things which is required for a BA, how you can gather the information, how you can collect the information. And see, these things will not come by the theoretical part, believe me. These things come only and only via experience. More you work in the industry, more you get the experience, more you learn in that area. Okay. Now, any doubt, any question, anyone? Tell me, guys.
no sir.
Vishwajit, Aishwarya, Ashwani, Tanvi, Nikhil.
No, Atul.
Arun.
No question. No question.
Okay. So let's close this call here only. I need to be take my son class as well today, so need to be drop off now. Okay. We'll connect again on Monday, sharp 8:30 a.m. Okay, let me stop the recording as well. Read